You are going to write your own special memory today. So, just like yesterday when we read the story Roller Coaster, they were telling us all about the roller coaster and what it was like to ride the roller coaster and how it made you feel. Then we wrote a shared writing activity in class about our sink or float experiment. Here's what we wrote. We had a sink or float activity in class last week. We were excited and happy. Today, I want you to think of one of your special memories. I want you to go to this paper that we used yesterday, special memories, to remind yourself of what you could be writing about. Then I want you to pick one thing, and I want you to write a sentence telling us about it. After you write your first sentence about what you did, the second sentence is going to be a feelings sentence. How did that time or special memory make you feel? So you're writing two sentences. The first sentence, you're telling me what you did, what your memory was. The second sentence, you're telling me how it made you feel. Feel free to post a picture on Class Dojo and let me read your special memory. I'll see you tomorrow.